My name is Varun. I'm the business manager in Medico Abroad. The Medico Abroad is here since 12 years. We are in the market since 12 years. So మనకి ఏంటంటే మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే మనం అబ్రాడ్ యూనివర్సిటీ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇస్ ఓకే ఫైన్ దెన్ we are doing the abroad universities, medical universities. Whoever is intention to go to abroad, we are giving them the guidance, the services. So the thing is we need to get the guidance from the parents and need to guide them how the universities of abroad is over there, and we need to tell them what are the services, what are the hospitals over there, how is the hospitals over there, and we need to give them the brief description of the universities over there. Then moreover, these abroad universities are very for example, if you take China, China is already developed country, and also the European countries. Whereas coming to Belarus, we are dealing with the Belarus. So Belarus in European system is one of the highly standard universities in European countries, Belarus. So the same thing, the China is also equally developed with the US. So the economy wise, the standards wise, it's equally developed with US. Though right now the China has more advantage for the Indian students. They give more importance to the Indian students, and more the curriculum is equal to the Indian curriculum. So also the universities over there are completely approved by Medical Council of India. Whatever we are dealing, Medico Abroad is dealing the universities, only the government universities, and MCA, Medical Council of India approved universities. This is the thing. So whoever wanted, I want to give the advice to the parents, whoever want to go to abroad. See, first thing, if they have any option, they don't have any option to in the MSET, they need to concentrate on the abroad university, and we need to take the guidance of the consultancy. The first importance is the consultancy is important. Later, the university is important. Later, the security. These three things are important for the parents to choose. So we can go to any country with whoever is giving the list this thing. But the thing is important, the standards of the university. What are the standards? How is the accommodation is over there? How is the hostel and the university and the professors? We need to take all the categories. And what about coming to the consultancy? How many years they're doing? How many years, since how many years they've been in the market, and how many they're dealing with the how the services over there? How many services? What about the services? So we have to think these all things. So and moreover, Medico Abroad is giving the special services where compared to other these consultancies. All over in India, we have so many branches in all over India. Main office is at Jubilee Hills near Apollo Hospital, Journalist Colony. Our main office is at Jubilee Hills near Apollo Hospital. See, coming to our thing, we have in our main office, we'll be having a chief general manager. We have a chief general manager. We have the business manager. We have a counselor. We have a IT department, and we do have a graphic side department. So we have all types of whatever the parents is want to have the guidance. We have that much of staff over here. They are here to guide the parent, because in 2005 before, we don't have that much of awareness regarding the abroad universities. But right now they have the option, if they are getting the admission in the MSET, they'll be going to these universities. Whereas they don't have any option, if they are not able to get through this MSET, they'll be going direct to the abroad universities. And moreover, while choosing the abroad university, one thing I'm telling you, once again, consultancy and the services provided by the consultancy and the university, how the standards over there. These three things are important. That's